Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making buffalo chicken dip. This is one of the easiest Super Bowl snacks and it's definitely one of the most requested. It's rich and creamy and cheesy and it packs all that classic buffalo wing heat into this delicious dip. I'm going to show you how to make buffalo chicken dip in the oven, and you can even make it ahead of time and pop it into the oven just as the pre-game partying starts. Take a look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them and the recipe in the description box below. This recipe is super flexible and you can customize it to make it even faster and easier, or use your favorites or whatever you have on hand. I'll show you how as we go along. Begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. We'll need 2 cups of chopped cooked chicken breast for the recipe, and I'm taking about a pound of chicken breast and cutting them into strips, then sauteing them with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. To make this even faster, you can use rotisserie chicken or leftover chicken. Next, I'm going to be mixing up the ranch dressing. You can also use bottled ranch dressing instead. The flavor on this homemade ranch dressing is fresh and herby and super delicious. Measure out a half cup of mayo and a half cup of sour cream. Then a quarter cup of milk and a half a teaspoon of white vinegar. Whisk these together and then add 2 teaspoons of minced fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of minced fresh dill, and about a teaspoon of finely diced scallions or chives. And if you're using dried herbs, I'll put those measurements down below. Juice the lemon and reserve the juice, and then zest half of the lemon over the mixture. Add a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of kosher salt, and a quarter teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix this all together and then add lemon juice to your taste. And I added about 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. We'll be using a half cup of this ranch dressing for the buffalo wing dip, and you can serve the rest as a dip for veggies, fries, or pizza, or save it for a salad dressing. Next, shred 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and 1 cup of Colby Jack cheese, and combine them together in a bowl. Add 1 package of softened cream cheese and a half cup of the ranch dressing, and blend this all together. Stir in a quarter cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce and blend together. And if you like it more spicy, add another quarter cup. Once the chicken is cooled down enough to handle, shred or chop it into bite-sized pieces. I'm adding about 2 cups of shredded chicken. This recipe will make about 3 to 4 cups of dip, and just double or triple the ingredients for larger servings. If this is your first time at our channel, welcome. We're making easy, no-fail recipes that you can make with confidence and share with everyone you love. And I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Subscribe to find out when we've posted a new recipe. Okay, mix the chicken into the dip, and if you're making this ahead of time, refrigerate from this point. To serve it immediately, spoon it into an oven-safe dish, and this is a 1-quart baking dish. Bake in the preheated 350 degree oven uncovered until the cheese melts, and that'll be about 20 to 25 minutes. I like to add more hot sauce on the top after it's cooked, and then serve with toasted baguette slices, chips, and celery. This dip also makes an amazing filling for buffalo chicken sliders. Hey guys, if you like this recipe, do me a favor and hit the like button. It really helps us out. And if you're looking for more easy and delicious party food, check out this playlist I put together for you. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.